Hey guys, now in today's video, we're going to be talking about cases for the iPhone. And these are going to be cases that range from the smallest size all the way up to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And these are award-winning cases that have incredible features. Let's take a look at the Magic Stand cases from CASEKOO. Let's go and check them out. Now these cases are award-winning cases, and you can tell once you get these in hand. Now, first of all, take a look at the variety of cases that we have here. Variety of colors, all with a similar design language and feel, and by the way, with the same features. First thing that we'll highlight is the fact that they all have these MagSafe connectors in the back. But not only will they allow you to connect your MagSafe devices to it, but if you have a refrigerator or a surface that can accept the magnet, you can use this to literally attach your iPhone. That's also super cool. In addition to this, you're talking about this little mechanism right here that I'm going to pop open. Let me just get this up right here. This little mechanism right here has been tested over 30,000 times to make sure that it will open and close as designed. And you heard that right. Even though this opens the way it opens, it still supports MagSafe charging. In addition to that, this becomes something that you can use to hold your phone. So something like this, right? And it's also going to serve as a kickstand. So a lot of functionality here, as well as having it on the side if that's something that you'd like. Now, these cases are ultra durable, right? You're going to be able to, if this were to happen, and if you have a titanium version of the iPhone, you're going to want a case that will protect it from drops. We've been seeing everybody who's been doing the tests on the titanium version have been finding that it shatters. It's just not as strong as you would expect. So having a case that has a 9-foot drop protection is something that you want to have, and this is it. So here you can see the case, super durable. You can see the sides. I like doing the little squeeze test on the sides to see if it collapses. It doesn't collapse. And I'm going to put in an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm going to snap this in, and it's going to be a little hard to put it in because it's pretty stiff, but not impossible to put in. I just snap this in place. So here you have your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can see how it looks. What I like about this is that it's clear, and it's going to showcase the color of your phone as well. So if you choose a specific color, you'll have that. All you do is you put your finger right here to be able to hold it like this. And again, if you want to MagSafe charge it, it will charge with all the accessories. And if you want to put it on something that will just lock in, it will do it as well. You'll notice that all the ports nicely align, right? Everything is where it should be. And the other thing that I'll say about it is that it has, it's almost like when you look at the sides here, let's go back to this one right here. You'll notice how much of almost like a bevel and a gap it has here. It's almost like giving you a cushion, an air cushion, as your phone's in there. So as it hits the corners, it doesn't damage your phone. And actually that's going to help with dampening on any kind of impact. So we have a variety of colors here. And we also have a discount code that we're going to be including that you can check out. So all these cases all have the same features. All of them have MagSafe capabilities, and all of them have fantastic drop protection. And if you have the iPhone 15, you're going to need it. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.